Hey guys, and welcome back to Tom's Garage, and I'm Tom, and today we're going to be talking about the features on the 2020 BMW key fobs. This is the latest and greatest key fob. If you've had like an X5 or X6 or even a 2 Series in recent years, it'll be familiar to you, but this seems to be the new design language BMW are going for, and I wanted to kind of show you what the new key fob brings and what features you can do with your car. So if I take a wander or a jaunt over to the new BMW X3 that's behind me, 2020 model. First one I want to point off in the key fob, if you have a quick look at the top of it, it's got the unlock button, which is kind of obvious, and you'll see the wing mirrors fold out, and we've got the daytime run lights pop on just to give you a little bit of lighting, which is definitely handy at night trying to find your car if you've got a dark car park or at a train station or something like that, so that's definitely useful. If you did know or did not know, the BMW button that's below is a lock. That gives you one lock, locks the doors, hold it in, wing mirrors close. Now there's a secret feature to this. If you hold the unlock button down, wing mirrors do the thing, the windows will go down. Obviously if you hold it all the way down, they'll go down all the way, and that means you can let the hot air out or the warm air in, depending on how your car's temperate at the time, but it's a very useful feature. And again, if you want to lock it, hold the BMW button in, the windows will go back up, and you can see the wing mirrors popped in to show that that's closed. Moving into the rear of the car, the third button we have in the fob is a little trunk button or a boot button. Hold that in, tailgate pops up electrically. Very handy if you're going to let a dog out or a dog in or something like that, or equally if you've got somebody who's carrying shopping want to in. And if you don't want to touch the button up there, again, hold the BMW button in just below the BMW logo, and the boot closes itself. That's pretty cool and decent as well. So while we're here, I also want to show you the last button in the fob is like a little diamond, a little rhombus kind of thing. If you push that little button, you get the full beam on, and that's your home lights. So if you set that in iDrive, I've set it for 20 seconds in our car, but if you have it, you can have it for 30 seconds, 10 seconds, depending on how long it may take you to get up a dark driveway and into the house. I just think it's a really cool feature, again, you may not know about. And if you're in the States, I think it's actually a panic button, but if you're here in the UK, it's your home lights. So that's pretty decent. And lastly, if you have a look at the side of the bottom of the fob, you see there's a little button there. It used to be another button, you'd push both in, and this time you've just got one, and that's a little kind of valet key. So if you walk around, into the car, so if you walk around you can see your key would go in there to turn off the passenger airbag. So not everybody knows that, so that's also a cool feature. I'll just slide it back in. I'm going to be a little bit hard to do, but I'll do it on the seat. Slide it in the bottom there. All hard to do with one hand, we're holding the camera like so, and it clips into place. One last lock up. So everybody, I just want to say thanks very much for watching my video on the key features on the 2020 BMW. Hopefully you guys found it informative and useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tom's Garage below if you've got more car content. Feel free to check out my other BMW features as well. I've got plenty of videos on BMW features, BMWs themselves and other cars. I really appreciate the support. And if you've got any questions about the key or the car, comment below, and I'll see you again next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.